Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to share 10 manga 3D models. And this is really a series of manga 3D models, the cartoon collections, which are already game ready and also fully rigged with morph, blend shape, the shape key, with full lip sync. That means if you use all of these 3D models, FBX, and import it into the software like the Blender or Maya, iClone, Unreal Engines, it will have the facial expression. So what you need to do is just scroll down, go to my video description. I already shared the link. You can just click in and download the 10 zip files. Just select all and just click downloads. Then it is going to download all of the zip folder into your computer. Then you have to extract all of the zip folder and you will get the extracted file. Just for example, the standard Gaia Shino. This is one of the 3D avatar. Then you will have the Blender file as well. If you double click, it is going to open by using the Blender. At the same time, there is a FBX file inside here. If you double click the FBX file, it is going to open by using the 3D viewer in Microsoft Windows 10. And of course, this FBX is already have the full skeletons, it's fully rigged with full materials and the facial expression morph targets, and also the lip sync morph targets. And just now you can see once I already double click with the Blender, it is open by using the Blender. Now you can see it is fully rigged with the skeleton. At the same time, you have the facial expression morph. Just go to the shape key here. You can manipulate the facial expressions. It is really easy. Right. These are all of the CC4 license from the Visual Studio, and I already converted it to become the FBX file. It is compatible with the CC4, the Character Creator 4, the iClone 8, the Blender, Maya, and Unreal Engine. You can use it for any purposes since the license is CC0 from the Visual Studio. Alright, that's all for today about my sharings of the 10 3D models, the Manga 3D models collections, which are already game ready, rigged, morph, and already have included the lip sync. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing. See you.